Here I've got Realme 5 Pro, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration, and here just go to ringtone. Click on OK, and let me show you all the ringtones that can be applied in this Realme 5 Pro, starting with Realme Tune, the default one. And then you can also apply one from the other tunes if you want to. But as you can see, they are short as they are for alerts usually, but you can also pick one of them if you want to. But I will choose one from the ringtones, and let me pick, for example, Gaze. Then let's go back, and as you can see, the ringtone has been changed. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can update the ringtone in your Realme 5 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.